way to add videos from Google Drive to your Blogger is from your Chromebook, although it does not always work if the file size is too big. From Blogger, click on the video icon and upload. Find the video you want in your Google Drive files. Click on it. It sometimes takes a while to upload, but you can continue adding pictures and writing. When it finishes, go ahead and publish. And if it says the file is too big or it does not work for any reason, please try method 2, which works from all devices.